Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to change date and time in Windows 10. Changing the date and time in Windows 10 ensures your system operates correctly, aligns with your local time zone and syncs properly with online services. So let's start the video. To change time and date in Windows 10, right click on the Start menu icon and then click on Settings. In the Settings window, click on Time and Language. Here make sure Date and Time tab is selected in the left sidebar. Here you can see options to set the time automatically or manually. As you can see, the time is set automatically. To manually change the date and time, you will need to turn off the Set Time Automatically toggle switch. So click to turn it off. Next, click on the Change button under Set Date and Time Manually option. So click on Change. A new window will pop up where you can adjust the date and time. Use the drop-down menus to select the correct date and time. And then click on Change button to apply your settings. As you can see, the date has been changed. So that's it, you have successfully changed the date and time on your Windows 10 computer. Thanks for watching.